Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this wall mount right here. So as you can see, the regular price is $69.96 and currently there's a $10 coupon that you can click and it apply to it. And then also there's a promo code that I'll be providing in the descriptions, which is going to bring the price down to approximately about under $40, which is a really good price. A little bit about this wall mount. It's 4.5 stars out of 5, and it doesn't have that many reviews yet. It has 40 ratings, but that seems pretty good to me. And this wall mount, it's expandable, and you can turn it and swivel, and it takes 42 inches all the way up to 85 inches, and it can hold up to 132 pounds. That's really good. I recently bought a couple of the TV stand myself, and I think it was about $45, and it can only hold up to, I think, 70 inch. And this one is not bad, and with the price, it's awesome. A little bit more about the wall mount itself. Stronger arms, greater length. Comfortable angle. You can bring it out, you can extend it, you can retract it 3 inches from the wall. You can also tilt it. Awesome. So I'll list all the information in the description section, so if you guys want a wall mount or looking for one, and this is a good chance for you to get it. If you guys have any questions, leave it in a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.